Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove your YouTube TV account from a TV using just your phone. So first of all, open your browser and go to myaccount.google.com/device activity or any device, and on this page you will see a list of devices connected to your Google account. Find the device you want to sign out from and then select the device you want to remove and then tap sign out. This will log you out of YouTube on the TV. And alternatively, you can go to myaccount.google.com/permissions to manage connected apps. Here, find YouTube TV and select remove access to disconnect it from your Google account. Once you remove access, you will be signed out of YouTube on any device using the YouTube on TV app with that account. And that's it. Your YouTube account is now removed from TV and you won't be logged in anymore.